Hey guys, it's me Marco, and you're watching the American Lemko. A peculiarity of the Lemko language is that a good amount of Lemko speakers pronounce the letter L like the letter W in English. Why is this? Stay tuned to find out.
It's my Lemko style.
To better understand how or why the letter L is sometimes pronounced like the letter W in English, it should be first pointed out that pronouncing the letter L like a W was not as prevalent in the past as it is today. Originally, there were three different ways of pronouncing the L sound in Lemko: palatalized L, clear L, and dark L. Palatalized L is not very relevant in this video, so we're not going to talk about it. So that really leaves the clear L and the dark L. Now, the main difference between the clear L and the dark L is that the clear L is pronounced more in the front of the mouth, where the dark L is pronounced more in the back of the mouth. For an example, a clear L would be la, where a dark L would be la. Here we have a video of a Lemko speaker using the dark L.
Бо в кожну хижу вони нігде не оминули, бо всяди їм заплатили. А ми ще тішили, бо від сусіда до сусіда ми літали і танцювали.
So what happened over time was it became more and more common to replace the dark L with the W sound. This is mainly because it required less effort to articulate. So instead of pronouncing the dark L and engaging those muscles in the tongue, to pronounce the W sound, you really just need to move your lips. Here are three examples of Lemko words that can be pronounced using either the dark L or the W sound. Dolo, doło, zrobił, zrobił, bola, boa. Now, this shift from using a dark L into using the W sound is known as L-vocalization in linguistics. This does not occur in Lemko alone, however. The same thing happened in the Polish language, where the letter L used to be a dark L. Now, since Lemkos lived historically in close proximity with Poles, it makes sense that this sound change occurred amongst some Lemkos as well. Now, what's interesting is that this sound change is not specific to just Lemko and Polish, but other languages as well. And some of these languages, they altered their spelling to reflect the current pronunciation. For an example, in Ukrainian, dumal became dumał. In Belarusian, volk became volk. In Serbo-Croatian, chital became chitał. Even in Brazilian Portuguese, Brazil became Brazil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on the American Lemko.